Hey Sarah. I was thinking, why don't we plan a trip to the lake this weekend? Oh, that sounds like a great idea. I love spending time by the water. What day were you thinking? How about Saturday? The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny. Perfect. Saturday it is. What time should we leave? Let's aim to leave around 10 in the morning. That way, we can get a good spot by the lake. Sounds good to me. Should we pack some lunch, or do you want to grab something on the way? I think it would be nice to have a picnic by the lake. Let's pack some sandwiches, fruits, and maybe some snacks. Great idea. I'll make some chicken sandwiches, and we can bring along some grapes and chips. Awesome. I will take care of drinks. How about some lemonade and iced tea? That sounds perfect. Now, what about activities? Do you want to bring a frisbee or maybe some board games? I think a frisbee would be fun. And we can also bring a deck of cards, just in case. Excellent. Now, let's not forget some blankets or a picnic mat for us to sit on. Right, I will make sure to grab those. Anything else we should bring? Maybe a cooler with some ice packs to keep our drinks and sandwiches cool. Good thinking. I will add that to the list. Thanks for that. The lake looks even more beautiful than I remembered. It sure does, and look, there's a spot under that big tree. It will provide some nice shade for our picnic. Perfect choice. Let's set up our blankets and get everything ready. Wow, this spot is just perfect. The view of the lake is breathtaking. This has been such a wonderful day. Thank you for suggesting this trip. No problem at all. I'm glad we could spend this time together. It's getting a bit cooler. Should we start packing up? Yeah, let's start cleaning up. We will leave this spot as beautiful as we found it.